This method can help answer key questions in environmental research about nitropyrene and 3-nitrotyrosine.
The main advantage of this technique is that it is a unique and highly sensitive method for detecting 3-nitrotyrosine on air sample filters.
To collect total suspended particles or particulate matter of less than 7 micron in size, first weigh a binder-free quartz filter and secure it on a high-volume air sampler. Cover the filter with a particle size selector to collect PM7 or leave the filter uncovered to collect total suspended particles. Run the air sampler at 1,000 liters per minute continuously for 7 days. Load the prefilters into a size classification unit and install the size classification unit and a backup filter on the low-volume air sampler. Run the air sampler at 116 liters per minute continuously for 7 days to collect PM 2.5 on the backup filter. When sampling finishes, record the total flow volume, weigh the filter, and calculate the weight of the collected particles. Seal the filter in a plastic bag and store it at -30 degrees Celsius. Next, prepare 500 microliters of 6X nonspecific protease cocktail in acetate buffer and place it in a dialysis membrane with a molecular weight cutoff of 5,000 Daltons. Immerse the filled membrane in 1 liter of the acetate buffer and stir it at 4 degrees Celsius for 24 to 36 hours, replacing the buffer every 12